मैंने आपको इंटोनेशन की टेक्निक तो बता दी कि वो आपको करना है, लेकिन कैसे करना है. नाउ लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड द बेसिक टेक्निक दैट हाउ यू विल प्रैक्टिस द इंटोनेशन in any speeches, or when you follow your speech, how you will practice the intonation technique. Let's learn. Okay, in intonation, first take any type of podcast, whatever it will be your interest or apart from your interest. Okay, try to listen to that video thoroughly for 5 minutes, only for 5 minutes, no matter video doesn't comes to end, no matter. Then again play it. Okay, if you went like this for 5 minutes, just play, listen to it. Okay, no matter, no understanding. Next, you have to understand that where the speaker has taken the turns, means the exact voice of the speaker, how it has taken the turns from high standard to low standard. You have to understand the statements where he has taken the very high standard tones, like as if, what do you mean by that? Oh, I have taken a sigh of relief. So that is a low standard tone. Okay, now you have to understand the speaker's statements after that for 5 minutes, no matter. अभी भी वीडियो एंड हुआ नहीं, कोई जरूरत नहीं. Okay, just listen it. Again for 5 minutes you have to play it again. Okay, now here you have to understand that how he has taken the high standard tone and how he has taken the low standard tone. ठीक है, पहले क्या करना है, वीडियो को 5 मिनट बस सिर्फ और सिर्फ चलाना है, सुनना है. नेक्स्ट 5 मिनट्स you have to understand that where he has taken, like the statements you have to understand where he has taken the high standard tone, low standard tone. Next again third 5 minutes you have to just think it about where he has taken his voice to the very high level standard and where he has put his voice to the lowest level standard. Okay, there you will came to know that yes, this is the point where you can practice the intonation. Okay, this is the magical technique. No matter video doesn't comes to end, कोई बात नहीं हो रहा है वीडियो एंड, कोई बात नहीं, आपके 15 मिनट्स प्रैक्टिस तो हो गई. सो जस्ट ट्राई इट फॉर like been a month. Okay, go it for a month. I'm not saying that you will understand this by 15 days, 30 days. Try to go it for a month. There you will get to remember the technique, that how you will practice the intonation. And when you follow your speech, when you make your speech, you will understand that how you are making the statement and how you have to put your voice to the high standard and to the lower standard. So this is the intonation technique. I have tried. This is experimented one. I must recommend you that please try this technique. It will help you in your pronunciation. Also, it will help you in your basic commanding of your voice. Okay. So if you want to learn more, just follow this channel. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe this channel.